Hey there, people. How's it going? All right. Well, today we're going to be talking about the Marque luncheon napkins. Yeah, these napkins, they're, decent napkins. These napkins are, first of all, recyclable, and that's always a big plus for me. I really like the fact that things are eco-friendly and, and goes back into the earth. It's awesome. Everything should be made that way if possible. Yeah. And I put these in my kids' lunch every day when they go to school, and I also put them in my lunch every day. Now, they're not the softest napkins. They're a little rigid. I mean, they're not going to feel real smooth on your lips when you wipe your hands or mouth, but they do the job, and they do it well enough to to satisfy anybody, pretty much, I would say, and get your hands and face clean enough. Also, with this packaging, is very interesting. This packaging, just in case you might want to carry this around with you for some reason. I'm not sure why you'd need to, but maybe some people do. There is a little drawstring here to where you can close this and pull this tight, and carry this around with you. This all scrunches up, like a sack, and you can pull this and you can carry this bag around with you just in case you want to travel with this bag of napkins. Yeah. But yeah, these are decent napkins. I've used these for a while now, and they're very economical, and they do the job. My kids don't seem to have a problem with them, and yeah, I've been using them for a while now. I would say I use these for the last year and a half, yeah, and they work very well. They're pretty decent size. I mean, this is folded, and you can unfold them, it gets even bigger. And they're pretty absorbent, like if you have like a spill or any kind of liquid at all gets on your clothing or on the table or anything, it wipes up pretty decently. It's pretty absorbent, and it gets things pretty clean. They're not going to tear or rip if you're trying to rub your mouth or your hands clean. They work well. Yeah, I like these napkins, and I've used them for a while. And the first place I actually saw these and actually saw them being used was the schoolyard at my son's school. In their cafeteria, I saw the people in the back preparing the kids' lunch with these kind of napkins. And that was the first place I saw and used these, because they were giving some out for the parents, because they were having us try certain things that the kids were eating, so they gave us a napkin with these. So they were very economical, and I decided to get some myself, and I've used them ever since, and it's fine. It really works well. Yeah, you can also just use them at home, if you have any kind of a party, especially kids parties. It's not very fancy. I mean, and it looks like it's recycled material, and the coloring is not, something that would be like considered, oh yeah, that looks so nice. But it does do the job. If you're just having a regular kids party, or just a get together with the fellas or something, like guys coming over to watch the fight or something, you're gonna have beers and sodas or whatever. And these are fine, no one's going to think anything. I mean, they're perfect for something like that. And yeah, and that's what I use them for, actually, And 750 napkins comes in this pouch here, and that's a lot. So I'll go through probably this whole container of napkins in probably, I would say, about 3 months. Yeah. That's about as much as I use these, and that's plenty, And then they're economical too, so it's no big deal to go buy some more. No big deal at all. I like these. All right. Well, that is the Belle Marque luncheon napkins. All right. I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right. Bye-bye.